Are your favorite jeans damaged like this? Don't throw them away. Let me show you how to repair them step by step. Keep the original hem and give them a clean, professional finish. Let's get started. I mark the new length as close to the damaged area as possible. Then carefully cut off the excess fabric. Before we move forward, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. I cut off the original hem so I can reattach it later. As you can see, I keep the original hem and leave a 1-inch seam allowance to stitch it back onto the jeans. Now it's sewing time. Choose a thread color that closely matches the fabric, then carefully reattach the original hem to the jean. Start stitching right at the seam, making sure the seam lines match perfectly. Stitch close to the original stitching and make sure to line up the seams perfectly. Check that everything is nicely done and properly aligned. And repeat the same process on the other leg. Now let's move to the overlock machine. Overlock the raw edge to keep the bottom clean and prevent fraying. Now let's move on to pressing. Give the hem a good press so the original hem we reattached sits nice and flat. Remove any loose threads and check that everything sits neatly in place. Now move back to the regular sewing machine to add the final stitch. Stitch the overlocked edge down to secure it inside the pants. Some people use fabric glue for this step, which is another option, but the glue may come off after a few washes. This stitch is stronger and will hold the hem securely in place. Repeat the same process on the other leg. The final step is pressing. Give the pants a good press and look at the final result. We saved the pants, kept the original hem, and achieved a clean, neat, and professional finish. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more professional alteration tips and step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next video.